Ooh, I'm super excited to present to you my newest listing right here in Raffia Preserve. George Oberdorster with RedHotNaples.com, powered by MVP Realty. And right here in North Naples, we're located at 4665 Abaca Circle in North Naples, with one of the most highly sought out school districts in North Naples and Southwest Florida. This beautiful beast of a home is a WCI Build with 3,655 square feet. We got 5 bedrooms plus loft, 4 full baths. We have a pool, spa, and summer kitchen, and a list of updates and upgrades a mile long. Let's go inside, take a look. All right, I hope you liked and enjoyed all the beautiful inside shots. This Pelican floor plan that was built by WCI. A lot of people ask me, what's the difference between a WCI build and a Lennar build? WCI had more updates and upgrades that were available to each and every buyer at the time when they were building their homes. Also in WCI builds, you have taller ceilings, taller door frames, and with the more updates and upgrades, the homes averaged about 20–25% more expensive than the Lennar build. But sitting in this WCI build, we are also sitting on a beautiful $50,000 Southwest Exposure Lake Premium that was on this lot. And this lot is also about 50% bigger than the average lot, all located right here in Raffia Preserve. If you'd like more information on this beautiful home, reach out to me directly at 239-216-1386, or you can always email me directly at george@redhotnaples.com. And if you're looking to buy or sell in Southwest Florida, check out redhotnaples.com. Thank you so much for touring my beautiful listing.